Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. We are continuing our journey on Safe Tour. Today's topic is System Team in Safe 5. If you are following my channel and if you are traveling with me for the Safe series or Agile series, you would know that I started discussing about various elements of different configurations of Safe 5. I've started with the essential configuration. Few of the elements I already discussed, you can refer my previous videos. The box in the left side, which is in the red or purple color, so that topic's already been discussed. Now I'm going to discuss about right side box. Actually, there are three elements here: vision, roadmap, and system team. Couple of videos we're going to discuss about system team now. Actually, I would like to start with a quote from Aristotle: "The whole is greater than sum of its parts." You will understand what does it mean to us. What he's trying to say here is a system need to perform when it compared to the performance of each part of it actually, right? So the importance given to the whole system rather than the individual parts, right? So during this video we'll understand why this statement makes a lot of sense when it comes to the system team. Let us get into today's topic, system team. Let's try to understand what does it mean to be a system team. How do they represent in an agile team? What is in it for them and what is in it for other teams? The system team is a specialized agile team that assists in building and supporting the agile development environment. Right? If you are building a software, if you're building an application or enterprise application, you might have developers who build application in Java or any other technology. But definitely you need a framework, a development framework or development environment to be built in so that on top of that, people start writing the codes, right? To build and support, you need a team. That team is called a system team. So it typically includes, development and maintenance of the tool chain that supports the CI/CD, that supports the CI/CD. The system team may also support the integration of assets, right? When it comes to building an agile development environment, it requires, both hardware and software. The system team should have expertise of both. They also perform end-to-end solution testing, and they also assist in deployment and release on demand, right? In safe, agile teams are not standalone units. That's what I meant in the statement of Aristotle. The whole team matters, not the individual parts of it, right? System team is part of agile team. They are not a standalone unit. They cannot alone deliver value to the customer. You need multiple teams, multiple communities like Scrum Masters, SPCs, you need release stand engineers, you need product owners, you need architects, you need leadership, right? You need lean portfolio management team. So system team is part of agile release train, and all agile teams are collectively responsible for delivering the large system and solution value. System team is responsible for built-in quality practices. Built-in quality practices typically require additional infrastructure work to build, integrate, deploy, release solution assets more frequently and continuously across the multiple stages of the pipeline. To support this, one or more specialized teams are often formed as an enabling type of agile team. They help build the environments and assist with the system and solution integration. So that is where system team is becoming more powerful. They accelerate team velocities by performing some of the slower, end-to-end and non-functional requirement test, right? They help demo the solution as it evolves, right? So that's an importance. That's what it means to be a system team, right? Over time, system teams are sometimes eliminated from the art as the agile teams take care of these responsibilities, possible in a small team or a small company. But in large solutions, it's more likely that specialty expertise remains with one or more system teams, where centralizing certain people, skills, and technical assets deliver the best economic value. So definitely, if you're a big company or building an enterprise solution or a large solution where you are dealing with multiple arts or multiple value streams, better to build a expert community of system team or system engineers, right? Let us try to get some more details about system team. The system team assists one or more arts in building and using the agile development environment infrastructure, including the continuous delivery pipeline tool chain, as well as the integrating assets from agile teams and performing end-to-end solution testing. They often participate in a system demo at the end of each iteration and the solution demo at the each of end of PI, right? The demos The demos support the teams and other stakeholders in providing quick feedback concerning the fitness of use, integrity of evolving end-to-end solution, right? The perspective of participation of demos that differs, right? A product owner participates in a system demo and customer business owner participates in a solution demo. But kind of feedback and participation differs. For a system team, why they are there in a system demo or a solution demo? They try to check the fitness of use, how the integration happens, integrity of evolving end-to-end solution, right? Is the code is simple, simplified design. It's an evolving design. Those kind of aspect they will look at it, right? System teams may also assist with the releasing and with the coordination of solution trains for a larger development value streams. However, this statement is very important. The system team and agile team shares this responsibility, right? That's what I meant, right? The whole team matters, not the individual parts, right? System team is not alone responsible for, delivering a value or a complete application or whatever it is. It is a shared responsibilities with the agile teams, right? It may include business teams, technology teams, architectural teams, business teams or customer teams, whatever it is. What happens otherwise, system team will become a bottleneck. And the agile teams will not be fully capable of or accountable for full end-to-end value delivery. So what we mean to system team is playing a very, very crucial role, but they are one among the agile teams. That's what we want to emphasize here. Now let us try to understand a different perspective of a system team. The role of a system team in a solution trains. Right? Let's try to understand that context as well. For a large multi-art development value streams, that need the constructs of solution train, system teams are particularly useful for supporting the large scale integration challenge, right? What happens, the solution train is becoming heavily important when there is a multiple value streams and you are trying to provide an integrated solution to the customer as a single solution. That where the larger scale integration challenges are, gaining importance to address it actually. So that's where the system teams play a very crucial role. So depending on the scope and complexity of the development value stream there can be three patterns of structuring the system team in a multi-art environment. So first pattern is there is one system team per art and all the system teams together and coordinate the solution integration and validation. That is one way of working. The second way of working is there is a single system team for entire solution train which can fulfill this responsible for all of its arts, right? That is also a way. The third pattern is mixing of both, right? There can be, system teams at both levels, at art level as well as solution level. It depends on the complexity of the, and the context of the company and how they want to work. All those things matters actually. There are a number of factors that influence the decision. Could be, solution architecture, branching, integration policies across the orgs, system testability, development infrastructure, right? All depends on the culture of the company. It depends on the, importance of the solution. It's a real-time application or it is a, a lot of factors involved in it. But you can go with any of the options, patterns which is suitable to the your companies or your way of working, right? With that, we have come to the conclusion of today's video. Hope you got a fair idea or a fair view on system team within safe environment. How do they operate? What are their responsibilities? What are the areas they cut across? How do they, work in a solution train? All those aspects we already, discussed as part of this video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like that, you have an option to subscribe my channel. You can spread or share these videos as part of your knowledge sharing journey, so that your friends and other people also, people at our network also will get benefited, right? I'll happy to help whoever comes, for any, thoughts you want from me. You can put your thoughts in the comments. I'll try to review and get back to you guys. Okay. So with that, I'm signing off today. Take care. Bye bye.